Hey there. Tired of finding a cheapest budget gaming PC? I got you covered to build a budget gaming PC under 30,000 rupees. Let's see what we've got. CPU AMD Ryzen 3 3200G, 5420. 4 cores, Vega 8 graphics, perfect for entry-level gaming. Motherboard, MSI B450M-A Pro Max, 5800. Solid VRMs, good upgrade path for future Ryzen chips. RAM, Adata XPG Gammix D30, 16 GB, 6799. High-speed memory equals smoother FPS and multitasking. Storage, EVM 256 GB NVMe SSD, 3020. Fast boot times, snappy performance, no lag here. Power supply, Cooler Master MWE 450 V2, 3240. 80+ certified, reliable, and efficient. Case, AMD Esports 211 Air ARGB, 3685 mesh front, great airflow, and those RGB vibes. All that for around 28,000 rupees. Perfect for esports, editing, and daily use. Would you build this budget beast? Comment below. Subscribe for more PC builds.